What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another snack review. These are Simply Nature, but that is the ALDI's brand, so they're distributed and sold exclusively by ALDI and from out of Batavia, Illinois. And this is their Simply Nature non-GMO seasoned buffalo style chickpea snacks. So we're going to give these a shot. I think they were $2.99 a bag. Yeah, I want to say $2.99. I know they weren't $1.99. They were $2.99. Excuse me. So we're going to get right into the little read up on the back here. It just says each of our Simply Nature products is free from over 125 artificial ingredients and preservatives. When it comes to eating well, the choice is simple. Simply Nature. True. Okay, now the ingredients. They are chickpeas, buffalo style seasoning, which is vinegar powder, red pepper, sea salt, garlic powder, oleo resins, which is capsicum and paprika, cream powder, which is obviously milk, so they're not vegan, high oleic oil containing one or more of the following: canola and or safflower, contains milk, may contain tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy, egg, sesame, may contain shell fragments. I didn't know chickpeas, well, I guess they would grow in the shell. Anyway, pretty cool packaging. I kind of like it. A serving is 1 ounce, which is 110 calories, and the whole bag is 5 servings, so it's 550 calories for the whole bag. We're gonna get right into these because I'm kind of excited to try these, and I hope they don't disappoint, but we'll see. I think they had another flavor too, but it might have just been classic, so I didn't get that one. But okay, these ones actually are a little kind of orangish tint from the seasoning on it. Let's see what they smell like. I just get that chickpea smell. Get a little bit of the buffalo scent, the buffalo sauce smell, but if I didn't know they were buffalo, I wouldn't guess that. But I would know that. I definitely tell there's the seasoning on it. Might be that little bit of vinegar smell. I don't know. Alright, here's what they look like. Not too orangish, but there they are. Excuse me. And here we go. From Aldi. Simply Nature seasoned buffalo style chickpea snacks. Cheers. I can drop one. Groundhog will eat it. I know what I forgot to do. Shake. Still not a lot of color on those from the seasoning. Very little buffalo flavor. Nope. Yeah, very little. I'm getting a little bit of a heat, but again, I wouldn't say that was buffalo flavored if I didn't know. I mean, you first throw them in your mouth, you kind of get a little bit of a buffalo flavor. But again, I wouldn't guess that if I didn't know. They're good though. Alright. Okay, there we go. They have a nice heat to it though. Heat. I'm gonna give them a 2 out of 10. Flavor, I'm gonna give them a 5 out of 10. It's really not a buffalo flavor, but they're not bad. Would I buy them again? I don't know, maybe. It depends. Anyway, there we go from Aldi. Simply Nature seasoned buffalo style chickpea snacks. 5 out of 10. What'd I say? 2 on heat? It does have some heat, but it doesn't taste like buffalo to me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. See you next time.